Looks like we got a new calf this morning. Not sure who that is down there. Cow and calf raising, holy hell. And I told Becky, oh, it sounds like it's coming from the 2-year-old's pen. Maybe one slipped under the gate out, you know, underneath where the blue tarp is or something. No. That one right there. Belongs on the other side of that gate. There's a slight elevation difference, so we got pushed in there or what? I just got to figure out how to get in there and get him back out of there without spooking the hell out of everybody. And sneak in there by Eeyore. Shut that big gate to keep her down in that corner for a minute. In the meantime, yeah, I didn't know what I was going to get into. And of course, my coffee starts making itself at 5 o'clock. It's just starting to make itself, and I don't have it yet. So here we go, Sunday morning with no coffee in the barn. Now, this is who I was thinking it was. It was between her and another one, but you know, 5 o'clock morning eyes. What do you think there, Grandpa Brent? There's your grandson. Hi, Ruby. She's been in here for a bit. And yeah, I climbed down right there and I forgot that those last should have been 3 sections, but it's 2 sections, head sections. Doesn't have a board across the front. Yeah, that's a rough cut 2x6. That's an extra 6 inches I stepped down there. I wasn't sure I was going to survive that. But while I'm in here, I'll go down and see if I can get that little bugger under the gate. I'm on my way to let that calf out, but Karma was standing here. Figured she wanted some lovin's this morning. What do you think? You don't think she likes her lovin's, do you? Oh, lady. I better go shut the crowd up. I just got to get through the crowd. There we got Penelope, Eeyore, Hope, and who this one is. If she's got a name or not. Oh, and Missy hiding on the backside, laying there. Isn't it? Yeah, that's Missy. Good morning, Hope. Oh, Missy's cohort, Ms. Goat Udder, 722. She's a sweetheart, too. Oh, sweetheart. She looks really short because she sunk in a little into the ground, that is. Let's see. She enjoys her scratches. Oh, don't smack me right in the crotch with a shitty tail. You're the one bitching over here, but have you calved? Okay. Wasn't sure. Because there's another one that looks just like her. But yeah, that's her calf that's over here. It's a 2 number. Hey, kid. Yeah, you. Yeah. Do you want to see your mommy? Well, then walk to the other end of the gate and slip back under it, because that's the only way you got over there. That worked. I had to come in here and stand back, and he went out. But now he doesn't know who he wants to go to. That's not his mommy. He's about took the gate with him when he went out. He stepped down in front of mommy and then turned and... Oh, are we going where we belong now? I can't tell. Yep. There we go. Reunited. Get back to this end so I can get out of here, and he's on a teat. Look at how clear that roof window is now. Oh, it's right there. We've been looking online trying to find something, and you know, all you can find is clear and nobody has it, or you can get it at the end of the month. My thumb's been hurting me all morning. She just found a sliver right top dead center in the frickin' joint. No wonder it hurts. But I took some soapy water to the top of that. That's the bottom you're looking at. And it actually made a big difference. And that's a tinted piece, so I'm gonna see if it'll clean up. And the left rear bolt, there's 4 bolts that hold it. The left rear one was missing the rubber on top, so it was loose. It didn't want to come out. And the other rear one didn't want to come out. But the front ones weren't too bad. Metric bolts, they're right there with the buggered up rubbers. So we will see. 5/16 should fit. After some discussion at lunch and coming down here, and both of them were laying in the same places they were not long after they were in this pen. I'm sure he was on a teat this morning, but couldn't have been for very long. He needs to eat. So Ruby was a biatche to get her in the lockups. Get her head locked in, that is. And he's just now starting to eat. And she's not cooperating very well. At all.
Bullshit.
Blue, you can get out of the barn if you're going to stand over there and bark. We didn't lock her in. Her kid's been eating. But make sure you got something in him before it gets too late in the day. Well, it's been a day. I put this on, but I had it flipped the other way, and so then it was wrong. Now it's right. And it's going to have to get spaced down a bit. It is what it is. I tried to clean that up. That is not good enough to be able to look through. This side's fine. It's this side. And look at, we actually have 2 drill presses again. Ty's been busy. Some stuff went wherever it might have belonged in here, and garbage can's about full. She went back to feed the back barn and texted me and said, the steers are completely out of hay. So that's what I get to go do now. Trying to find a piece of Lexan. 18 by 24 is the closest I can find, but you know, you can deal with that. I wanted to find tinted, which this is actually a tint. Most of the tinted stuff is a dark gray. That don't do me any good. Or they have black tinted, or there's blue that's the color of that handle. That don't do me much good either. And most of the stuff won't see it for over a week. So that's a bunch of bullshit. And of course, looking at local places where we could go, Ace Hardware, probably the best one that has anything, but they really don't have squat that you can get out of the store in less than a week. So I guess I go fire up a loader. We're all waiting for Ty. That's the bale. Then they can all go. Kind of got full of shit getting into the steers. So I gotta stop and put some off and put it away. And in they go. Probably have to feed a bale in that one tomorrow. Ty said she thinks the yearlings are good till about Wednesday. Okay. No, I didn't get the tires. I got the front. It was pushed up to those holes. Well, I had an idea for that. That thing just had to start making noise. it didn't do anything. Trying to find anything we can get within a week is a joke. I can get plexiglass as early as tomorrow. I can't get Lexan that quick. And I honestly don't know if this is Lexan or this is plexiglass. I'm gonna guess it's actually Lexan, because, you know, there's no cracks in it or anything, not even around the holes where it had been tightened up pretty good. And this would be the side that would get a little bit of everything on it. Going through brush or whatever would be scraping on it, and it's rough. Other side's nice and smooth. You know, it looks pretty good except for where it was hitting the cage up there. Oh, I don't know what to do. I thought about just getting plexiglass because it will handle scratches better than Lexan, and I can get it tomorrow. But drilling it and cutting it are not the easiest to do. Apparently they actually make special drill bits for that, special saws, but you can use a steel bit. You're supposed to flatten the bit so it doesn't cut. And it says you can use as long as it's a minimum 13 teeth per inch blade. Well, bandsaw right there's 14 teeth. So, and I've done it before. It's just that I've also had issues and, you know, ruined a piece. What I can get is 2 18 by 24 pieces, or you get it 4 of them. So I don't know if I want to have Becky get them ordered or wait a frickin' week, but I want this thing out of here. I mean, I gotta, the bucket I gotta work on for that guy, I gotta push him off anyway because I need to take Becky in for her cortisone shot on Wednesday. So if he was gonna try to get the thing here Tuesday, I'm kind of screwed for getting it done Wednesday. I mean, I plan on getting Ty in here to help me with it, but where it's been full of horse shit, I mean, we built the bucket for him probably 20 years ago, maybe longer now, I don't know. It's on its second tractor, I know that much, and he was complaining. His old John Deere that it was on was just a little one. His new one is bigger, and if you fill the bucket all the way up, it don't lift it off the ground. Doesn't that make sense? I was looking at it, and I rebuilt the tilt cylinders on the neighbor's, I think it's a 4300 John Deere. I rebuilt his tilt cylinders a few years ago, and I'm looking at the cylinders on this guy's, and I'm going, he's got a smaller tractor than you got, and the cylinders on his loader are bigger. So that's crazy. Anyway, I'm still scratching my head. I may just have Becky do it and see what happens. If I fudge it up, I'm out $60 if I fudge both of them up. But if I get it, I mean, I don't plan on stuff dropping up there, but you never know. The reason for the Lexan window is, don't know what I'm going to do with this thing for sure, but last thing I want to do is wear something in the face. And plexiglass, you know, they say it's 17 times stronger than glass. Well, this is 250 times stronger than glass. The disadvantage is Lexan scratch, or yeah, Lexan scratch is easier than plexiglass. That's why I'm kind of thinking plexiglass might be the thing for the top. And like I said, I don't know which this is. So and all I can get is clear. I can't get the tint, which, I always got a hat on, so I guess if the sun's shining in it, at least it's not in my eyeballs unless I'm looking up. So just one more thing to think about. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Hope you had a great Sunday. I hope you got more done than we did, if you had to get something done. I mean, you know, putting my bracket on that thing backwards the first time, that didn't help. And the holes were cut right to size. The screws I used are actually tapping screws, and they screwed hard all the way through. It actually held tight. Then I put the nuts on. So, and then all this stuff may end up going back the other direction, which won't be too bad, I guess. That can go around there, and that can go around there, and they can all go meet. Because I'm going to take that right console off. I mean, that's where everything is. Maybe there's some wires there I can hook to, and that is where I would have to put the switches anyway. Which means the ones for the wiper will end up going up and around, I guess. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So, have a great Monday, everybody. I'm just gonna keep racking my brain. We may put more than just 4 bolts in too, because there's holes. I think there's a hole here. There's like 2 up here, I think. You know, do it right. I'm not sure why they just use those. And I'm thinking I just did that little spot and that little spot, trying to see if I could heat that and make it work. This here kind of lines up with whatever they got too warm on this side. So, yeah, whatever happened, happened.